screwed. I had to do this. I thought, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? It dawned upon me that there was a simple solution. Say nothing that offends anyone. Say nothing controversial. Yes. At the same time, address the one thing that is the biggest problem. And I think that's the easiest thing. The fear or hatred of a foreigner. Because that's really the problem. And I always say my big fat claim is that what we do, making music, making movies, telling stories, can fix that problem. And what's so special about pop culture? Well, I made the analogy once that China and the US are like roommates freshman year of college. Perfect strangers, and all of a sudden, living in the same room, sharing the same bathroom, shower. It's in the sharing though, and the codependency or the yin-yang aspect of it all that gives us the potential for or the potential to become best friends. I remember one day I came back to my dorm room when I was in college. The door was locked. And there was a girl in the room. My roommate had brought his girlfriend back, and I was like, I hear them in there, and I could bang down the door. I was like, come on guys, I got early class tomorrow morning, come out. But I just kind of like went into the common room and took a nap on the sofa. The next thing I knew, and it would take so long, and he never been so nice to me before, right? He like shook my hand. He's like, "Thank you, bro. How can I pay you back for this?" And we helped each other out, and it was beautiful. And that's one of the reasons why we became such great friends. Let me ask you, for those of you in the crowd who are as old as I am, can you remember when there was no such thing as politically correct? You remember when PC just started? Before PC, those were good times, right? You could say whatever you want. Run your mouth. No one would ever troll you on social media. No one would cancel you. Yeah, they're canceling people these days. You read about that? That's cold. But sometime in the 80s, I remember I was in junior high, one of my buddies was like, you can't say black anymore. I was like, you can't say black, really? Yeah, it's African American. It's like, okay, African American. Yeah, black is in PC. I'm like, PC, what's that? Politically correct. Oh, alright. And then a few weeks later, he was like, you can't say Oriental anymore either. And I was like, what do you mean I can't say Oriental? I can't say Oriental? I've got an Oriental rug in my room? What am I going to do about that? He's like, I don't know what you're going to do about the rug. What do they call it? I still don't know, but Oriental's not PC anymore. I'm like, oh, politically correct. He's like, yeah. So, if someone says Oriental, I'm supposed to be offended now, right? It's like, yeah. Okay. Got it. And that transition, do you guys all remember that? It was weird at first, but now it's kind of second nature, right? The Asian American, African American, LGBTQ term has kind of off the tongue, second nature now. But it's really because the country's getting bigger. And we start realizing that, yes, there are actually hundreds of millions of people living together, and we have to be respectful. And what's happening now is that everything has gone global, right? Why? So we have to be not just PC in the USA, PC in the PRC. You like that one? How about this one? You also got to be PC in the whole WORLD. What a drag, though, right? I don't want to live in these times. But guess what? It's not as bad as you might think. Because I have this gift, this great gift, this that a lot of people don't, which is I live in China. I'm Chinese, and I'm seen as a Chinese in China. And I grew up in America, and when I come here, I'm seen as an American, and I'm so lucky because I can go to the mountaintop and see the truth on both sides. And the people, their lives, their loves, their fears, their hopes, their dreams. And I man, he's a double dipper. I remember him saying a long time ago, he asked Arnold Schwarzenegger, how do I become a global star? I don't want to just be an American film star, I want to be a global film star. Arnold was like, if your movie is released in Argentina, you go to Argentina. So there Will Smith was in Shanghai last week, being a double dipper. Music, it's also interesting to see what's happening over the last year. Just year, same thing in China and the US.